the preparation video for Luft's super spicy Pani Puri kit. First up, unbox the super spicy Pani Puri kit in which you will find everything you need. 15 pieces of full-blown street style authentic Pani Puri puris, Boondi, super spicy Pani Puri paste and spicy and sweet paste. To make the super spicy Pudina Pani, take the spicy Pani Puri paste and add 220 ml of ice cold water. Mix well and there you have it. To make the spicy and sweet Pani, take the spicy and sweet paste and add 120 ml of ice cold water and your spicy and sweet Pani is ready. Boondi. If you like the crunch, use the Boondi directly from the pouch. If you prefer it softer, you can add it to your Panis. Make a little hole on top of each puri, stuff half of the puri with Boondi, then dip it into the super spicy Pudina Pani and then the spicy and sweet Pani. Enjoy the burst of spiciness right away.